So in the last class, we were studying about the chapter number 5. The name of the chapter was Wiz and the keyboard. We discussed about the keyboard. We discussed about the keyboard. But before going towards the new chapter, let me ask you one thing. Let me ask you one thing. Is there anyone who can tell me the spelling of keyboard? Is there anyone who can tell me the spelling of keyboard? Okay. So only two students are there. That's good. Ahmad Mohammed already sent the spelling in the chat. Okay. That's good. Ammar Yasir, Mohammed, Ahmad Mohammed, Ahmad Mohammed, Hamad Al Khalaf, and Hamza Al Sayyed sent the correct spelling. Okay. Abdullah, can you tell us a spelling of keyboard? Abdullah, are you there?
K. Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell us a spelling of keyboard?
Keyboard.
Okay. Let's see. What does Hamza Al Sayyed is saying? Hamza Al Sayyed, can you tell us the spelling of keyboard?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Keyboard.
Excellent. Excellent. So, Hamza Al Sayyed told us the spelling. Let's see. Let's see who else is there. Okay. Umar Mustafa. Umar
Yes,
Mustafa.
sir.
Can you tell us the spelling of keyboard, please?
K. Keyboard.
K E Y.
A. K. E. K. K. E. Y.
Good. B.
P.
B
N.
O
P. P. O.
A.
N.
B O A
P. O. A.
R
R.
D.
P. Keyboard.
Keyboard. Okay. So, three students tell us a spelling in the class. Okay, it's Hamza Al Sayyed, Abdullah, and Umar Mustafa. And along with it, we have Ahmad Muhammad, Hamad Al Khalaf, Anas Muhammad, Ali Abdullah, Abdul Rauf. These guys already sent the spelling in the chat also. That's good. So the keyboard spelling is there. Okay. So there is one key which is very long on the keyboard. Can anybody tell me what is the name of that key? Or what is the spelling of that key? What is the name of that key? The longest key of keyboard. The longest key of keyboard. What do we call that key? What is the name of that key? What is the name of that key? Okay, yes, Anas Ahmed. Anas Ahmed, can you tell us the name of that key?
Base bar.
Okay. Okay, let's see. What does Ammar Yasir is saying? Ammar Yasir, can you tell us the name of the longest key of the keyboard? Ammar, are you there?
What?
What is the longest key of the keyboard? Which key is the biggest key of the keyboard? Ammar, are you there?
Yes.
Can you tell us the biggest or the longest key of the keyboard? Which key is the biggest key of the keyboard?
Mouse.
No, mouse is not a key. The key is on the keyboard. The name starts
Space
with
bar.
Space bar. That's now you pick it up. Okay. So that's good. It's a space bar. So Amar told us that thing. Hamad Al Khalaf. It is a half spelling for the word. Ahmad Muhammad, Abdul Rauf, Anas, Amir Al Falai, Hamza Ahmad, and Hamza Al Sayyed. All these send the spelling of space bar. So who is going to tell me the spelling of space bar? Let me see. Okay. Ali Abdullah, can you tell me the spelling of space bar?
Yes.
Yes, please.
B B A
No,
B
the space bar.
A
No, no,
B
the space
A.
bar. Space bar. Space bar. Ali, are you there?
Yes.
Can you tell us the spelling of space bar? Bar is B-A-R. Bar is B-A-R. What is the spelling of space? Can you tell us the spelling of space?
P
No. Space starts from S.
P
P, okay.
C A.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. Abdullah, you tried it. You tried it good. That's good. But let's see that what is the spelling. Okay. Hamad Al Khalaf, can you tell us the spelling of space bar?
S P A C E B A R.
Okay, excellent, excellent. So, Hamad told this thing. Let's see. We are going to answer the spelling from the Hamza Basim now. Hamza Basim, you are not sending any message in the chat and you are not raising the hand. Can you tell us the spelling of space bar? Hamza Basim. Hamza, are you there? Okay. Hassan Asad. Hassan Asad, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Hassan, can you tell us the spelling of space bar?
Mm, no.
No, okay, read with me. It's S P A
S P A
C E
D
C
T
C C
D C
E
D
B
D
A
A
R
R.
space bar.
Space bar.
Okay. So the spelling of space bar is there. Okay. And let me take the name of the student who sent the spelling. Very good. Very well done to those who sent the chat spelling in the chat. Ahmad Muhammad, Abdul Rauf, Anas Muhammad, Hamza Ahmad, Hamza Al Sayyad, Ammar Yasir, Ibrahim Muhammad, okay. So Ibrahim Muhammad, till here, all the students give the correct answer. It's a space bar. Okay. So there is one more question, and then we will move towards a new thing. The question is, can anyone tell me the name of the key which we use to erase the letter, which we use to erase the text? What is the name of the key we use to erase? What is the name of the key we use to erase the letter? That's good. Ahmad Muhammad already sent the answer in the chat with the correct spelling. Hamza Al Sayyed. Abdul Rahman Al Wasil. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Abdul Rahman, my question is, can you tell me the key which we've used to erase the text? What is the name of the key?
Raise your key.
Sorry, which key? Could you kindly repeat your answer?
Eraser.
No, the key starts with B. The name of the key starts with B. Okay, read with me. It's B-A-C-K.
E
Your voice is not coming, Abdul Rahman.
A B
C-K,
B
C-K,
B A.
C-K,
What?
C for cat.
C
C-K-S,
K A
S,
S
P,
S
P,
P
A,
P
C-E.
A
Your voice is not coming clearly, Abdul Rahman Al-Wasil. Your
C
voice is
E
not coming clearly. Okay.
C E
S-P-A-C-E.
E C E
Okay.
C C E.
Okay. Okay, Abdul Rahman. Okay. Amir Al-Falai. Where is uh Amir Al-Falai, can you tell us the spelling of
Yes.
that thing? Backspace?
P A C K S P A C E.
That's good. Very good, Amir Al-Falai. So Amir Al-Falai gave the answer. Let's see. We have Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman, can you tell me the spelling of backspace? Backspace is the key we use to erase text or letters. Yes, can you tell us the spelling of backspace like Amir Al-Falai told us? Abdul Rahman, are you there? Okay, Abdullah Hisham. Abdullah Hisham, can you tell us the spelling of backspace? Abdullah, are you there? Okay, Abdul Rauf. Abdul Rauf, can you share the spelling of backspace with the class?
Yes. B
Okay.
A C K S P A C E. Backspace.
Backspace. Splendid. Excellent. Excellent. Abdul Rauf and Amir Al Falai, you both guys tell us the correct spelling. Very well done. With confident, you tell us the spelling. Excellent, you guys. And some students also sent the answer in the chat. Let me take the name. Ibrahim Muhammad, uh, Ahmad Muhammad, Hamza Al Sayyed, Ammar Yasir, Hamza Ahmad, Abdullah, Hamad Al Khalaf, Abdul Rauf, Ali Abdullah. All these guys send the correct spelling in the chat. Okay, so these are the three keys which are very much important on the keyboard. Now we are moving towards the chapter number 4. The name of the chapter number 4 is Wiz and the Mouse. Wiz and the Mouse. The computer is not complete without the mouse. If we have keyboard, we doesn't have the mouse. The computer is not complete because we can't use it properly. We can't use the computer properly without the mouse. So, mouse and keyboard are important to control the computer. They are important to use the computer. Whatever you want to do on the computer, you need a mouse and you need a keyboard. You need both these things to control the computer properly. So we know that keyboard is used for typing. Now we are moving towards the mouse and the chapter number is 4. It's Wiz and the mouse. The first sentence of the page is saying, before starting the sentence, this is a page number 34. It's a page number 34. So, on the page number 34, the new chapter is starting. The first line of the chapter is saying that the mouse help us to tell the computer what to do. The mouse is helping us. Yes, we move the mouse. We click with the help of mouse. We draw the things with the help of mouse. So, mouse help us to tell computer what to do. Whatever we want to do. For example, we want to play game, we want to play the movie, we want to watch cartoons. So with the help of mouse, we can play all the things. It's easy. So it points at things. Who points at things? Mouse. Mouse points at things. Mouse points at things, shows us where we are on the screen. Right now, the red arrow you see on my screen, I am using that red arrow or moving that red arrow with the help of my mouse, so that you will see that I am here and we are on the screen. So, mouse points at things, like I am pointing with the help of arrow, and that arrow is working with the help of my mouse. I am using my mouse to point out that I am reading this sentence. So mouse point out at the things available in the computer, and it shows us where we are on the screen. Where we are on the screen. So it point at things and shows us where we are on the screen. On the monitor, we see a small arrow on the monitor. Where is the monitor? Monitor is in front of you. On the monitor, we can see a small arrow or a small line that flashes. So there is a small arrow. What type of arrow? The white arrow. If you see, there is a white arrow on the screen. So there is a small arrow. That arrow is controlled by the mouse. Or sometimes there is a line showing. If I show you this one, if you see, I'm typing ABC. After C, there is a small line which is flashing. This line is blinking. So basically, it is called as the cursor. Ultimately, on the monitor, we see a small arrow or we see a small line that flashes. If you see, the line is flashing in between B and C. Right now, the line is flashing in between A and B. So we see that small arrow and small line that flashes on the screen, and we move that arrow or the line with the help of keyboard. Wherever we have to move, we can move it. So when we move the mouse, the arrow moves. When we move the mouse, the arrow moves. When we move the mouse, the arrow moves. So why the arrow moves? Because we are moving the mouse and our arrow is connected with the mouse. Wherever we move the mouse, our arrow will go in that direction. Our arrow will go in that direction wherever we are moving our mouse. So with the help of mouse, we can do the drawing. Okay. What else we can do? What else we can do with the help of mouse? Is there anyone who can tell what we can do with the help of mouse? Is there anyone who can tell us? You can raise the hand. I will take your answers. Let me write. We make a drawing. Okay. Now, what is the second thing you are going to tell us? What we can do with the help of mouse. Okay, let's see. Till now, only four students raised the hand that they can do something. Okay, so let's go towards them. So, Hamza Ahmad Mohammed. Hamza Ahmad Mohammed, can you tell us what you do on computer with the help of mouse?
Typing.
Can you type with the help of mouse?
No.
No. So you have to tell him the thing you can do with the help of mouse. Okay, let's see. You can think. We will.
Drawing.
Sorry, what are you saying?
Drawing. Drawing.
Drawing. Yes, we can draw. We can draw. That's good. Okay, Anas Ahmed. Yes, Anas.
Yes, sir.
What we can do with the help of mouse?
Play game.
Oh, very good. Excellent. Excellent, Anas. We can play game. Very good. We can play game. That's good. Okay. So we have Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah. What we can
Yes,
do
sir.
with the help of mouse?
Watching cartoon.
Okay. How you can watch cartoon with the help of mouse? We can play cartoon. Okay. We can play cartoon. Your answer is correct. We can play the cartoon with the help of mouse. We just do one thing and cartoons starts playing. So we can play cartoon. Okay. With the help of mouse. Okay. That's good. Uh, Hamad Al Khalaf. Yes, Hamad. What do we do
Yes,
with the mouse?
tubing.
Sorry, what are you saying?
Tubing.
I didn't understand your word. Could you kindly repeat it again?
Choose the alphabet right.
Okay.
Writing.
Okay. We will write, but normally we write with the help of keyboard. Okay. Azam Soleh. Yes, Azam, what we can do with mouse? Azam, are you there? Yes, Ryan, what do we do with the mouse?
What we do in the computer?
Yes, what do we do with the mouse in computer? Yes.
See pictures and play games,
Yes.
watching cartoons.
Good. That's good. We can see the pictures. We click on the picture and we can see the picture. We can move the arrow with the help of mouse. We move the arrow with the help of mouse. Okay. So, yes, Abdul Rauf, what do we do with the help of mouse?
Coloring.
Coloring. Okay. It comes under the drawing. We can do coloring with the help of mouse. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Anas Ahmad, yes.
Yes, sir.
What do we do with the mouse?
Open Classera.
Okay, we can open the class era by doing the click. By doing the click. We do click with the mouse. Excellent. Excellent, Anas. And Amir Al Falai said that he do the coloring. Excellent. And Hamad Al Khalaf sent the correct and very unique answer. The answer is we can do the select. We can select text. We can select text. See, I am selecting the text. With the help of my mouse, we can select text with the help of mouse. So we can do so many things. We can do drawing and coloring. We can move the arrow. We can see the pictures by click on it. We can play the cartoon. When we double click on that cartoon, the cartoon will starts playing. We can play game. We can do click with the help of mouse, and we can select text with the help of mouse. So mouse can do so many things. Mouse can do so many things. Some of them are here. Some of them are here. Okay. So, Ammar, can you tell us what do we do with the mouse?
Writing.
Writing. Can we write with the mouse? Is this possible?
No.
So, what do we do with the mouse?
We click.
We click. Exactly. We click. That's good. Okay. So, we can draw.
Here.
We can play the cartoon. We can play game. We can see the pictures. We can move the arrow. We can do the coloring. And we can click. And we can also select the text with the help of mouse. With the help of mouse, we can select the things. Let me erase this one. Okay. When we move the mouse, the arrow also moves. That white arrow also moves. The name of that white arrow, the name of that white arrow is called pointer. This white arrow, the arrow which moves with the help of mouse, and when we press the button it clicks. So that arrow is called a pointer. That arrow is called a pointer. That arrow is called as a pointer because it points out. It points out a thing. For example, if I remove my this red arrow and I start reading the second line, it points at things. If I didn't tell you the line, then you will not understand that which line I am reading. So I am using a arrow here. See, I am using the arrow. This arrow is called a pointer so that you will understand I am on this line. I am reading this line. So that's why this arrow is called the pointer. The white arrow you see. See this one. There is a white arrow. The small white arrow used to click. That small white arrow is called as a pointer because it points out that where your arrow is, where your mouse is. Very good, Hamza Mohammed. Excellent, excellent. So this arrow is called as the pointer because it points out. We click on the game, we play, we make a drawing, we move the arrow, we do the coloring, we click with the help of mouse, or we can select the things, or we can select the text. And two more things are coming from two other students. What do we do with the help of mouse? Excellent, excellent. It means that these guys are thinking about the uses of mouse. Excellent. The name of the student is Hamza Ahmad Mohammed. He told us that we can open folder with the help of mouse. Yes, we can open folder with the help of mouse by doing click. And Hamza Al Sayyed is saying we can open program. Yes, we can open program with the help of mouse doing click. And one more student sent us a very good answer. And the name of the student is Hamad Al Khalaf. He told us that we can open the link. Yes, we can open the link for any website with the help of just click. If someone sends us a link, we just click on it and the website will load. Okay. So, Ahmad Muhammad, very good. He is the fifth student who thinks about the answer and he said, we can shut down the computer with the help of mouse. Means close the computer. So, we can shut down the computer with the help of mouse. We can shut down computer with the help of mouse. See, we have so many things. There are so many things other than that to do with the help of mouse. That's good. So, there are so many things like we can open video, we can open program, and we can shut down the computer, or we can open the folder. We can open the folder. So the videos comes in the cartoon category. Okay, I will write. Yes. So there are so many things there. So mouse is used to point out. With the help of white arrow, we point out on the different things. We point out on the different things in the computer and we can do it. So mouse is very much important. Mouse is very much important to control the computer properly. We can use the computer with the keyboard, but the point is it's very difficult to control it because there are just keys there on the keyboard. So we use mouse for the relaxation. We can do the things very fastly on the computer with the help of mouse and with the help of keyboard. So the spelling of mouse, it's Mouse. It's a Mouse. Why I am telling the spelling of mouse? Because in the next class I will ask you the spelling. What is the spelling of mouse? It's Mouse. It is used for click. It is used for click. Yes, Hamza Ahmad and Anas Ahmad, you are right. It is used for click. We use it for click. And we type with the help of keyboard. We type with the help of keyboard. So this is the spelling of mouse. It's Mouse. So there is an assignment available in the class light. Everybody open that assignment. The time of the period is finished. We will continue our lesson from this page again. And best of luck for your assignment. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. So bye everyone.
Goodbye, sir.
Bye bye.